Dear friend, welcome to Open Talk. In this video, I'll discuss everything about domain name investing, why you should invest in domain names, how to invest in domain names, and what is domain parking, and all the ways you can earn money from domain names. I hope throughout this video you will get very important information. And so friend, don't skip any part of this video, just watch the full video. I hope you will be able to earn a good amount of money after watching this video by domain investing. So first thing first, what is domain investing? Domain investing is the process of purchasing or buying a domain name in low prices and then keep it into your portfolio and finally sell it for a higher price. Investing in domain name is quite similar to investing in assets such as real estate or land business. Investing in domain name is very profitable business if proper research is done and you know what kind of domain names you should buy or purchase. The first domain name was registered in 1985. So let's see some sale history of some great domain names. The carinsurance.com was sold for $49 million in 2010. Vacation rentals was sold for $35 million in 2007. Voice.com was sold for $30 million in 2019. And 360.com was sold for $17 million in 2015. This was some great domain name. The most important thing is it is confirmed that by 2013 all 4-letter .com domain name already sold or registered. For example, btrc.com. Just for saying, BTRC means Bangladesh Road Transport Corporation. This way, every company like this already bought 4letters.com domain and it's already sold by 2013. Okay, friends, so let's take some reasons why you should invest in domain name. Number one, internet is growing. The internet is large and it's continually growing, and with the evolution of technology, more and more people are coming to the internet. They are visiting internet, which means it's continue growing. Number two, low supply, high demand. Premium and short domain name that have actually words in them can be a very good business. It's compared to good piece of real estate business. There are this type of domains are very rare to find and usually extremely expensive. So if you ever have that type of opportunity to buy a domain like this 4-letter domain, don't hesitate to buy it. The demand for this domain, valuable domain, is extremely high. Number three, very profitable business. Domain investment is very profitable business, just like a get piece of real estate business or land business. A domain name purchased for maybe $100 maybe 2 years ago could potentially be worth thousands of dollars today. From my personal experience, I have registered so many domain names for $8 to $20 just, which I ended up selling on average more than $100 within a year, maybe 6 months later, or 1 month later, 2 months later. Number four, low cost. Yes, there are some fees while registering and holding a domain name, but they are extremely low. In compared to other traditional investment like real estate or land business. There are no taxes, there are no insurance to pay, just a yearly renewal fee, which is typically only $8 to $15 depending on the register. Number five, generating revenue while holding domain. Believe it or not, you can actually generate good amount of money from domain parking, simply parking to parking companies. Companies like Godaddy, sedo.com, bodies.com, vodo.com, and a lot of companies like this. They will pay you a good amount of money when someone visits your domain name and click on the ad they are providing you. Although it's depend on different things, the type of domain name you have and the traffic, obviously. So friends, now let's know how to earn money from domain names. There are a lot of ways you can earn money from domain investing or domain flipping. let's take some of the ways people are earning money from, domain investing or domain flipping. Number one, by domain flipping. This is the most traditional way. Uh, I mean, the valuable domain name you can buy for a low price and flip it for a higher price. But finding this type of domain name is requires so much things like a lot of research, lot of study, and work. Obviously, the best place to look for such type of domain name is either from expert database or marketplace like Godaddy auction, sedo, Afternic, Flippa, and many more. Number two, domain parking. You can earn good amount of money by domain parking. Domain parking is an old method of monetizing a domain name. It's essentially like you owning a house and renting it to some other people to collect rent. For example, you own the domain name and you allow advertiser to place some simple ads on your domain, and if someone visits your domain name and click the ads, you simply get paid. That's simple. Earning from domain parking depends some things like the types of domain you have, the visitors, quantity of visitors, obviously the parking company you are cooperation with. So friends, it's not possible to me to discuss all the whole things, how to earn from domain parking in a single video, and it will be boring too. So I hope in further videos you will discuss how to earn money from domain parking. You can check my description link. So number three, you can earn money from making website. This is a good way to make money from domain name. Just make a website relevant to your domain name, and it can be a blog site, podcast, video, or skip based site. Then place ad from Google AdSense or any other company and start earning money. That's simple. So friends, let's know which things you should consider while buying a domain name or registering domain name. Number one, domain age. The age of the domain can make it easier for you to rank the domain. Age domain names that have built a history with Google can give you a good amount of money. It can easily be ranked. So while buying a domain name, consider domain age. Number two, character length. You should focus on domain that has less than 15 characters, because visitor will be boring while typing a domain name on their address bar, and it's very hard for them to remember your domain name. Then by considering .com domain, while investing in domain names, try to buy a domain name that has .com extension. After .com extension, you can go for .org, .co, .net, .io. But remember, you should have 80% domain, on your portfolio should have 80% domain .com extension. So friends, let's know which are the best marketplace to sell your domain names. There are many different marketplaces you can sell your domain names. Like you can say Godaddy auction, sedo.com, Afternic.com, dan.com, Flippa.com, squadhelp.com, brandbucket, and many more, Epik.com. So dear friend, finally I would say, if you want to become a successful with domain name investing, you have to constantly search for high valuable domain names from different marketplaces. By constantly searching and participating in auction and bidding on high valuable domain names, you will begin to slowly build up your own awesome portfolio. Once you build up your portfolio, you start listing those domain names to different marketplaces like Flippa, sedo, Afternic, many more, and see the kind of activities you receive from your domain names, and begin to negotiate the prices with buyers. So thank you for watching. Check out my other videos from description link, and if you have any question, please let us know in the comment section. I will try to answer the question. And if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get more update. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Until then, take care.